Hisham has this Orchid Core contrib organization on GitHub, and a couple of projects, including this modules project or solution, where he has added a lot of various modules. I think I've already demoed a couple of these. Now, the latest one is this content localization module and corresponding feature, which is about displaying a localization matrix. Now, what's a localization matrix? It is a matrix which is about content localization. Namely, if you go to the admin and open this one here, we didn't add a new menu item here either, the localization was there. Then you can see an overview of which content items are there in the system that are localizable, so you have localization parts attached, and which versions do they have. So as you can see, for example, for this blog post, we have the Hungarian and the US localization, checkboxes for both. For this blog post, we only have a Hungarian version, but no US version. And that's it. It's just a small useful feature if you want to have a more central way of having an overview of what kind of content is localized on your site.
It's not a small one. We talked about it for a long time, and I will make it more prominent in the content menu, like under the content localization matrix directly, not in configuration localization. It's not configuration here, it's content management. It's really,
yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah, it's really, where is my content and what do I need to do now? And so that's a very good start. And I would add two features to that. First, a filter. So you can have some kind of search in this page, because if tomorrow you have 1,000 content items, you have to filter by type, by search by name, like we have on the content items page. And second feature that might be useful, or maybe not, maybe it's already good, it's to have a part like this that we can add to type, such that when you edit an item, you can see all the existing localization in other languages. But maybe we already have that. Maybe that's how it's. Can you edit? Yeah, just to see how it looks like. Yeah, so that's this one is fine because we see, but we don't see what's missing, right?
I'm not sure. Well.
Oh yes, you see. That's perfect. Okay, so that we don't need the part because this does already the job. Okay, but yeah, I will make it in the content menu item directly.
Yeah, that's a good point. And by the way, small, I didn't want to belittle the effort, but rather the simple to use. That's probably the better word.
Yeah. And you see here content item. Yeah, you need to group by type. You need to filter to order. Yeah, because that would be the next step. Probably.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's great. I know people have asked that for that. Everyone who is interested into localization with multiple languages, they need to have that because there is no way to keep track of what needs to be localized otherwise. Great. So my two favorite modules from Hisham are this one and the dynamic data localization.
Yeah, he's pretty big in localization.
Good. Thanks, Zoltan, for the demo, and thanks Hisham for the modules.